How to rename a file in Windows 7 using the keyboard? When I try to rename a file in Windows 7 by pressing F2, I get the search window. If I press F3, still I get the search window. What is the keyboard shortcut to rename a file in Windows 7?
It should be F2. Make sure you have a file selected. I've noticed that in Windows 7 it's a little more tricky to select a file and easier to miss if a file isn't selected.
Are you by chance using a Microsoft keyboard with the specialized function keys? There may be a key to the right of the F row that looks like F. You're right, rename is F2. If the function mode is on, though, the keyboard could be sending a different command.
Jeśli nie udało Ci się zaczynać, jest consider subscribing.